Welcome to Healthy Aging with Annie.
Hello, friends. Welcome once again to another interesting health talk. Today, I am going to be talking about how you can use food to help your body fight inflammation. Now, what exactly is the meaning of the word inflammation? Inflammation is a part of your body's normal response to infection and injury. Now, inflammation can damage tissues. Okay, this is because when it happens, your body is not strong enough to fight this inflammation. Now, what are those foods that you can use to fight this inflammation? That is what I am going to be talking about today. Now, inflammation can also be chronic. What do I mean by this? Chronic inflammation can do damage to your body. It can play a role in the build-up of plaques in your arteries, and this can also cause a risk factor for heart disease, for stroke, for diabetes, for even higher risk factor for cancer and other chronic conditions. Now, what are those foods that you can eat that can either help you or hurt you? One of these food is that you need to eat more plant-based food. More plant-based foods, they have anti-inflammatory nutrients that your body needs. So eating a lot of fruits, rainbow of fruits and vegetables, whole grains and legumes is the best place to start from to help your body to fight this inflammation. The second one is that you need to focus on antioxidants. Now, antioxidants are very good because they help to prevent and to delay or repair some types of cell and tissues that are damaged. Now, they are also found in fruits and vegetables like berries, leafy greens, beetroots and avocados, and as well as beans and lentils. They are also found in whole grains, ginger, turmeric and also green tea. Like, I have a very good tea that I love taking. It's called the aloe blossom tea. It's super good because it's made up of cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, garlic, lemon, orange peels, lots of natural things that will help your body, most especially if you're finding it difficult to sleep. This tea is very good. Okay, now the third one is that you need to get your omega-3 fatty acid. And where can you get this food? Eat lots of them. You can get them from salmon fish, you can get them from tuna fish, you can get it from mackerel fish, sardine fish, and you can even get omega-3 fatty acids from walnuts, pecans, brown flaxseed and also soy. What is the work of this omega-3 fatty acid? Now, they play a role in regulating your body's inflammatory process, and they can also help to regulate pains that is related to inflammation. So it's advisable that you try to eat lots of this food to help you. I have a very good supplement. Supplementation is also good because you might not be able to get all the nutrients, so it's advisable that you also supplement. I use Arctic Sea because it's very good. It helps me to get my omega-3 fatty acid anytime I don't get to eat these foods that contains omega-3 fatty acids. The next one is that you need to eat less red meat. Red meat is not good for you if you are trying to fight inflammation in your body. Red meat is a pro-inflammatory food, and also it also triggers the symptoms of inflammation in your body, especially people that are suffering from arthritis. So try as best as you can to avoid or limit red meat. Go for fish, go for white meat. This can help you. Or you can also go for soy-based proteins and nuts. They are very good. because they help to fight inflammation in the body. The next one is that you need to cut off processed stuff. Now, sugary cereals and drinks and deep fried foods and pastries, they are all pro-inflammatory offenders, and they can contain plenty of unhealthy fats that can be linked to inflammation. But when you eat lots of whole grains, fruits and vegetables, and also beans, they can help you to fight inflammation. So try and cut off processed stuff. Try and limit your intake of processed stuffs, processed foods, because they are not good for you. They can trigger inflammation in your body. So try as best as you can to add dis food to your diet, and it will help you to fight inflammation from your body. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can always get notifications when I come online. Thank you very much, and see you again in my next lecture.